Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. So today we're going to be guessing strangers' incomes in New York City with this channel called Sean Rizwan. Really doing us all a favor here by asking people how much they make. Right after, of course, you subscribe, hit the like button, and now with that said, let's see just how well we do and if we could guess their incomes before he can. Enjoy.
Today I'm back trying to guess people's income in New York City by asking a few questions. This video is sponsored by Visible, who I will talk about later in this video. Let's get into it. What's your name, age, and where you're from?
King 16 from Chicago, Illinois.
Why are his teeth red? It looks like he was chewing on one of those blood capsules. You ever do that as a kid for Halloween? You get this blood capsules, chew on them, and be like, ugh. It looks like he was just doing that, like just sucking on candy all day.
How old are you now?
25.
25. First question is, what is the most expensive thing you own?
These is customs, maybe about $2K.
Oh, you have to pay for that. $2,000 to make your teeth look red. That's kind of scary. All right.
Chain, $5K. Shoes, 1,000 some change.
Man, what does he do? Jeez, he's walking around with like $20,000 of stuff on. I'm curious what he does.
What is your highest level education?
We could say I did a little bit of high school. That's about it.
We could say that. It's not like we could say. It's did you? Did you finish high school? So he's got some high school. All right.
Third question is, are you happy right now?
I'm living, bro. I'm breathing.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't I be happy?
Why does he take such offense to that question though? Like, are you happy? And he just gets angry. What do you mean am I happy? Of course I'm happy. What? Why are you asking me if I'm happy? You would think that it's just like, yeah, no, of course.
Do you feel like money buys happiness?
Money can never buy happiness. It can't even buy you peace.
Man, okay, so for this lifestyle, for him wearing this, he better be making over probably $200,000 a year. My thing though is he going to be honest? Is he going to inflate how much he makes? I'm guessing by the designer clothes, by the grills, by the extravagant, show on the front. My guess is he's going to double his income and just say it's twice as high as it really is.
100K a year?
Below that.
75.
Lower.
50K?
There.
What do you do?
Disclose information, but I'll just go off as I'm a music artist, so that's what we're gonna go off.
Oh man, so he does something that's probably illegal. He wants to be a musician, but he's making probably $45,000. My guess, believe it or not, he's actually making more than that. Probably that's the case, and he's downplaying it just in case the IRS is watching. Maybe the police are watching this, and he says like $500,000 a year, and they're like, oh, you're doing way more than we thought you did. Maybe. But let's just go with the music thing for now.
And if you're single ladies, holla at me.
Really using this as an opportunity to find a lady. All right, well, hey, you never know.
What are your names?
I'm Isabel,
Steven.
What are your ages?
24.
31.
No, where are you guys from?
I'm from Yonkers.
El Bronx.
Did you have an accent before? And
No, I just do them all the time.
Yeah, I feel like your voice changed like 4 times already.
Oh, that threw me off. Why does fake accents?
What is the most expensive thing each of you own?
Probably my laptop, like $2,000.
One of my watches or one of my colognes.
Are you guys happy right now?
Oh, I'm so happy.
I think I'm a little pent up aggression,
Let those paws fly, boo.
Are you happy? How do you feel?
Yeah, are you happy? Let's ask you some questions.
I love how they're turning it back. Why do people get so just angsty over that question? I'm happy. You happy? Yeah, you answer that. You better be happy.
I'm pretty happy. We're out here.
Yeah, bing bong, baby, bing bong.
Bing bong.
Bing bong. Yeah, guys, bing bong.
Start a little guess. You make
You're gonna
50
guess.
grand.
Dude, after I just said the most expensive thing I own is a laptop. I don't know, I barely make any money right now.
You know what? I should be guessing along with them. I'm gonna say $35,000.
Maybe like 30.
I receive a government check, SSI check, Social Security income check.
Oh yeah, he's making less than that. My guess is he's making under $20,000 a year.
So I get $683 a month, so times that by 12, and that's what I get a year. One more thing, FYI, fun fact, my uncle is Sugar Ray Leonard. The boxer made a grown man say no mas, no mas. Yeah, that's my uncle.
Remember that? Remember that guy? Do you guys remember him?
No, I don't know who he's talking about.
What's your name, age, and where you're from?
Joe, 42, New York.
First question, what is the most expensive thing you own?
I'd say my car, I guess.
How much is it?
It's like 26 grand. It's a black Porsche.
Black Porsche, 26,000. Ah, I see. It's probably a Porsche Boxster. I'm guessing.
Are you happy right now?
Yeah.
From 1 to 10, 10 being happiest.
Oh, 10 for sure.
10?
Yeah.
Oh, he's lying. No, who's a 10? Who's ever a 10? I'd say most of the times I'm about an 8. 8.5. Every now and then I'll peak to a 9. Probably the lowest I get is like a 6. But usually I'm about an 8.
Do you think money can buy happiness?
No.
All right, so for him, I'm going to guess Porsche, probably $95,000 a year. That's my guess.
I feel like you make 120 grand.
No.
Higher or lower?
It's higher.
It's higher.
Yeah.
Like a lot higher?
Add another like 50 to that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you do?
Run an advertising agency.
Oh, there you go. So good.
What are your ages?
I'm 24.
I'm also 24.
There was some hesitation there.
Yeah, I was just thinking for a second. I feel like after 21, it's hard to keep track.
Where are you guys from?
I'm from North Carolina.
I'm from Maryland.
First question, what is the most expensive thing you own?
It's a case of trading cards, Magic the Gathering. It's about $1,100.
I think my computer, maybe.
How much is your computer?
Just like 1,200,
Okay.
maybe.
All right, so my guess is for him, he's making probably 40,000 a year. She's probably 35.
I feel like you make 100K.
That's wrong.
That is wrong. And I feel like you make 100K.
That's about right.
Yeah.
Okay. Higher or lower?
Higher.
120K.
A little higher.
125K. 130K.
There you go.
Wow, good on them. You could tell for him, he's saving a lot of money. He's investing a lot of money. I like them already. They're doing well.
What is your highest level education?
I mean, like, I was in technical school for a little bit.
Yeah.
And then I went to, like, community college. Didn't graduate from none of them bitches. At the same time, I learned some shit. At the same time, I was kind of like, bro, I know I can just, like, do more without, like, trying to, like, work for somebody else.
All right, so that means he's not making a lot of money. Listen, you're always working for somebody, okay? Even though you're your own boss, you're working for the customers. I mean, at the end of the day, you can't just do stuff only for yourself and make money. You have to think of the other person first. So in this case, we're thinking of the viewer first. So, like, in a way, you are the customer for us. So he's, my guess, he's probably making like 20 grand a year.
You make like 80K a year?
I'm actually happy you said that, 'cause I'm pretty sure it's lower than that, bro. I'm gonna say an estimate, maybe 15K.
Yeah, okay, kind of guessed that one.
What's your name, age, and where are you from?
Daniel Bondi. I am in my mid to late 20s.
Mid to late 20s. Why can't he just say like, hey, 28?
Are you happy right now?
Yeah, I'm super happy.
From 1 to 10, 10 being the happiest.
I am a solid 8.
What would take you to a 10?
Probably just to be able to travel and see all the US, see the world, travel, meet new people.
What's the limitation right now?
Very family oriented. Life can hit you with huge things, and what really matters, not your job, not your music, not your whatever it might be, but it's your passions and your family.
Oh, he's a musician. So my guess, 20K a year. No, maybe 25.
Like you make like 85K. Is that right?
Solid guess.
Higher or lower?
Higher.
110K.
I'm at 110K base salary.
Yeah?
For my job.
Wow, good on him. That's good.
What do you do?
Software sales. And then I do music gigs on the weekends to get me out of the house because I don't leave my home if I don't. My mom's quadriplegic as well, so she's paralyzed, and so that's the one thing that we can do together. Hence the family orientation. So.
Oh, I like him a lot. He's my favorite so far.
You want to play a little something? In
Sure,
there?
dude.
Yeah, I can put a little
Of course.
something in there.
Slow down. Oh, life is gonna break you down, my child.
Wow, he's really good. Okay, he's great. I like him.
What is the most expensive thing you own?
Probably my wedding ring and band.
How much was it?
Maybe I'll do a range. It's above 50K.
Whoa! Wow, about $50,000. It's crazy.
What is your highest level of education?
It's a doctorate.
What did you study?
Pharmacy.
Pharmacy, okay. Third question, are you happy right now?
Yes, very happy.
From 1 to 10 being the happiest, where are you?
An 8?
An 8.
Yeah.
What would it take for you to get to a 10?
Maybe changing my living location.
Based off of what you said so far, I'm gonna guess what
Okay.
your income is.
Oh man, I want to guess probably $250,000 to $300,000 a year.
130K?
More.
More. 200K?
That and above.
What do you do?
So I'm in pharmaceuticals. Used to be in regulatory affairs, but now medical affairs.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, the mom is so proud. The mom's sitting there being like, yep, that's my daughter. She's probably at $300,000. Maybe higher.
First question is, what is the most expensive thing you own?
My house.
How much was it?
$466,000.
You paid it off already?
No.
Yeah. From like 1 to 10 right now, 10 being the happiest, like where are you on that scale?
I'm probably a solid 9.5.
What would it take for you to get to 10 then?
I'm not interested in a life that's 10. If you're not challenging yourself in a multitude of different ways and like growing, there's still plenty of times where I'm frustrated with the things that I do or my personal life or working through relationships.
Wow, this is a deep answer. I never thought of it that way. But you know what? I would agree. If you don't have challenges, you just kind of go stale. So in a way, I think he's correct.
I want to say like 500K a year?
Whoa!
No. My guess is probably he's 130.
Not that much.
Not that much?
Not that much. It might be this year.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. 350K.
Closer, yeah.
Close. What is it?
275.
Wow. I'm underestimating a lot of people here.
What makes up that number?
So based on client work and passive income between shooting weddings or commercial work, and then passive income through all the YouTube stuff.
What percentage of that is YouTube of that income?
If I include my online education, that's probably 70% of it.
Cool, 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 cool. I just want to let the people know that I did know who Eric was.
Oh man, who's Eric? I don't know who Eric is. Man, I missed it. Oh, here we go, found him. Eric Floberg, wow. Oh, that's cool. Look at his cinematography work, it's so good. Guys, check out Eric Floberg down below in the description. And Sean Rizwan will link to you. Oh, come on, stop it. And Sean will link to you down below in the description as well. Overall, I love the video. These are a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.